It's soft and crunchy at the same time. This is how we make the Neapolitan pizza inside the business.
Sole, oh sole mio, sta pronta te.
Voila guys, just arrived and I find the pizza place. It's right there. You don't see it really well, but I'm gonna show you right now. We're gonna go ahead and surprise my cousin. So first of all guys, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for watching, taking the time to watch my video. So today basically I'm going to surprise my cousin here in Belgium. We already arrived. I'm gonna show you from the beginning this video. I'm gonna make the pizza dough. It's a special event coming out. It's a lot of things going on today. You're gonna enjoy this. So I'm gonna show you how I make the pizza Neapolitan style, bari style, a lot of things going on. Smash the like, share this video and enjoy this video from my street Iacopelli. Enjoy! Welcome to the best pizza channel. And we're about to go in the plane. It's an amazing experience. I've never been to Belgium, so you're gonna enjoy this video because it's gonna be the best. So let's start the day with a perfect breakfast. My aunt right here, she's gonna surprise his son, which is my cousin, and then we're gonna get a nice perfect cappuccino. Look how perfect is this croissant, cornetto alla marmellata. Cappuccino, this is how we start the breakfast here. Enjoy the rest of the ride, or the flight. Ciao. We have a flight at 9 a.m. We should arrive around noon. Let's see. This is all typical food and things from Puglia. Outstanding. It's gonna be our flight right there. Brussels, we are coming. And voila guys, we have arrived to Charleroi, Bruxelles airport, whatever. Now I'm gonna get a taxi and go visit my cousin for the first time. This is my first time being in Brussels, and we're gonna go visit my cousin in the pizza place. So I'm gonna ask him if I can make my own dough. Yesterday I text him, I say prepare some Polish. So let's go ahead and let's go surprise my cousin. He doesn't know that I'm here. It's full of restaurants. So basically today is the grand opening. That's why I'm here today. Oh, buongiorno.
Oh, Vito carissimo.
Fantastic pizza place. You guys getting ready? My cousin Claudio.
Ciao a tutti ragazzi.
Vado my cousin Fabio. This is family. Tutto a posto, Fabio?
A posto.
It's a family business, guys.
Ciao a tutti ragazzi.
Già con la telecamera.
Sì, è già pronto. Io lo metto un attimo, stiamo preparando l'evento di stasera.
Surprise!
Dove Vito finalmente ci fa vedere le sue braccia mentre lavorano e andare felici Bruxelles.
Guys, fantastic pizzeria. Take a look, everything is getting ready.
Vieni, ti faccio vedere.
Show me.
Siamo in lavoro, siamo in preparazione.
Fresh mozzarella from Italy, oven, electric oven. Fantastic oven, electric oven. So, you got the Polish, eh? Hai fatto il Polish.
Provate il Polish così per i tuoi fan.
So, guys, right away, first of all, we have to make this dough before everything starts. So, what is the dough machine? Let's make the dough.
Apriamo questa? Abbiamo questa vasca da bagno.
Whoa, never seen this. That's
Che abbiamo
huge.
finito di impastare, adesso è così, però la siamo molto più pulita.
That's huge. It's too big. Non ce l'ha una un po' più piccola?
Dobbiamo andare all'altro locale. Dobbiamo andare all'altro locale e impastiamo insieme all'altro locale.
That's
va
a good
bene?
idea. He
Dobbiamo
said that
impastateci più piccole.
he said that we have to go to another restaurant because he owns 3 restaurants and today I'm gonna try to show you everything. So andiamo all'altro ristorante.
Andiamo all'altro locale.
Let's go.
Venite
He's gonna
ragazzi,
bring us
venite.
to the other location. Andiamo because we're gonna make the dough. The Polish is ready 24 hours. It's very close, so we're gonna walk to the other restaurant.
Là sta la pizzeria, guarda.
Just arrived, guys.
Vieni.
We'll see if we have the proper pizza dough for us. Fantastic. So basically, aspetta, oh, dove vai? Wait. Basically, they are closed, exceptionally closed because we are going to have only for today because we're gonna have the event. I'm going to make the pizza for the first time, and also I came because they are going to open the 3rd pizzeria today. So we're gonna get a lot of people. So let's go ahead. Let's make the dough. Let's go. Let's see if the dough machine is properly ready. Oh, forno, guys. Welcome to Al Bacio Pizzeria. Always, they are all close to each other. Qual è l'indirizzo? Which one is the address?
Rio American 119, the best
Neighbor.
in Brussels.
Best pizza in Brussels. Best pizza barese because they're typical barese. But tonight I'm here to make for you, if you come, a Neapolitan pizza. So let's go ahead. Let's make the dough. You got the dough machine perfecto. We got the Polish. We got the Polish prepared already 24 hours ago, guys. Take a look. Nice and strong. Nice and strong. Let's go ahead. Let's make this dough. So Claudio,
Dimmi tutto, Vito.
give me 10 minutes.
Vai,
10,
fai come
15
se sei tuo.
Grazie. Give me 10-15 minutes. I'm gonna make the dough. Let's go, guys. I'll show you my dough. Vieni. We are making. He prepared 1 liters of Polish, 1 kilos of flour, 1 liter of water. You know, my usual Polish. Just yeast, 5 grams of yeast and 5 grams of honey. We're gonna add 2 liters of water. And first things to do here is we're gonna put the salt in the water. We're gonna put 105 of salt. Let's go ahead, let's put everything in the dough machine. This is how we make the Neapolitan pizza inside the business. Let's get the Polish in the water. Now we're gonna melt the Polish in the water. Max speed. In the meantime, we're gonna get 3 kilos and 450 grams of flour. Plus the kilos that was in the Polish, we have a total of 4 kilos and 450 grams. Okay, 2 kilos. One kilo is 450 grams. Voila, now we mix for 15 to 20 minutes. Good. Now that everything is together, we're gonna put just a little bit of olive oil just to detach the dough from the machine. Just a tiny bit. And this olive oil will help the dough to grow to the cooking part. Voila. See? It's detaching from the dough machine. Perfect. Okay, 20 minutes pass by. Now we're gonna turn it off, just like that. You'll see that the dough is still a little bit, it needs to build the gluten because the dough breaks. See? So what we're gonna do, we're gonna keep it there, resting for 15 minutes, and then I'm gonna show you the second step, really quick. Okay guys, we're gonna give you a nice shot, couple of seconds, you'll see that the gluten is gonna be more strong. Take a look. See, it's nice and smooth. Yes. Hai visto Claudio come è nice and smooth?
Sì.
Perfect. So now, still the gluten is not 100%, so it's another trick to do, which is this. Open it, little bit of little bit of olive oil in your hands, just like that. Oil in the bowl. Questo serve a costruire una maglia glutenica quando l'impasto è molto debole, è idratato. So now get the dough and put it in the bowl, just like that. Voila. So the goal here is to build the gluten. See, it breaks. Now you'll see. So now we're gonna cover this 1 hour. We're gonna go back to the original pizza place that we're gonna go to, where we're gonna do the event today, and I show you what we're gonna do. Sei pronto?
Certo, Vito, andiamo a fare le pizze finalmente, andiamo.
He's gonna put me at work. I'll see you later. Andiamo, chiudi, we are ready, let's go.
Ciao, buongiorno.
Andiamo. Open it, open the
Si apre da solo il cofano.
Open this little car right here. Open. Voila. The baby's in the car. Andiamo, let's go.
Vito, tu vieni a piedi.
A piedi, ok. I follow. I told you we are ready to make the boss. Come with me. So I'm gonna shoot everything. The dough is been resting for 1 hour and ready to make the boss, and we have to be ready before the war. The pizza war. Voila. Take a look. The dough, fantastic. So let's put a little bit of flour on the floor. Voila. Take a look of the dough, fantastic. Massage a little bit. Let it sit a little bit. Did you see the gluten, how strong it became? Look at this. Look at this. That's because the resting time. Now we are ready to make the balls. Gonna make all the balls and rest for 1 hour, 2 hours at room temperature, and we are ready to serve the client, and also, most of all important, surprise my cousin with my pizza. And we're gonna do like an exchange of pizzas, Bari versus Napoli. Just finish the balls, guys. We are ready to put it in the box. Are you ready, Claudio? Sei pronto ad assaggiare la pizza napoletana? Anche se tu fai la pizza barese, of course. He makes the bari stuff. Okay, guys, get ready because in 2 hours the dough is gonna be ready, and I'm gonna show you the Neapolitan pizza. But we have to stop 1 second because my dough, we're making 500 pizzas really quick, and then we're gonna make a Neapolitan style. This Bari style pizza. Vai, 1 shot. Let's go. Okay, now we're gonna make some Neapolitan pizza. I'm gonna show you. Watch this oven, it's the best. Oh sole,
sta pronta a te, oh sole mio, sta pronta a te, sole, oh sole mio, sta pronta a te, sta pronta a te.
After making 500 pizza, we're gonna go ahead and ask how was the pizza. Guys, qua. How was the pizza? How was the pizza? Com'era la pizza?
Buonissima, buonissima.
Vai. How was the pizza, my friend? Endless pizza.
Really good.
Endless pizza.
Thank you, chef.
My pleasure. Vieni. Com'è la pizza? Tutto bene qua?
Tu sei un mito!
Italiani, no.
Tutti italiani! No, che
Buonissima pizza.
italianissimi!
Ma volete una pizza napoletana?
No!
Barese, only bari style. Allora dai. Prego. Buon appetito.
Bravissimi!
Buon appetito. Sì, com'era la pizza? Neapolitan style. A te, come la pizza? Devo dire una cosa. Com'era la pizza? Buonissimo. Assaggiamo insieme, dai. This guy is one of the owner here. Vanni.
A Varese.
One of the owner. Buon appetito. Okay guys, and now the dough is ready. I mean, we've been making, I think we made 550 pizzas, but now it's your time. I'm gonna dedicate it to you. I'm gonna make it the Neapolitan pizza with the dough that we just made. Okay, now let's get this one, and we're gonna make Neapolitan style pizza and see how it comes out with electric oven. Voila, it's really soft, high hydration. Now we're gonna go ahead and stretch, keep the air in the crust. It's really soft, just like that. Take off the flour, they're ready. Done. We don't want to touch it too much. Let's move everything right there. Boom. Voila. We're gonna keep it small because it's really soft. Let's go ahead. A little bit of tomato sauce, a little bit of fresh basil, fresh mozzarella, and boom, guys. We can a little bit of olive oil, and voila. We are ready to go in the oven. One shot. Now we're gonna pinch it, finger under, and we're gonna make 12 inches pizza. Voila, guys, are you ready? Smash the like, let's go. Electric oven, voila. 350, we're gonna put it in the center, and boom. Let's wait. The moment of the truth. Vito in the Brussels will make the best pizza Neapolitan style. Yes. Okay guys, the pizza is pumping really nice. We're gonna see if it is soft and crunchy in the same time. Everything. And the pizza. Whoa. The pizza is lovely, ready. Boom, baby. Woo. Let's see the moment of the truth. Let's see. Boom, baby. Eccolo. That's what we want, right there. That's what we want. Look at this, soft, lovely. Guys, enjoy, smash the like. Tomorrow we're gonna do a pizza tour in another video, so go ahead, subscribe, and amazing pizza lovers, ciao. Oh, and if you are ever in Brussels, go ahead and come to Albacino. Just with Albacino. Go ahead. Come by to Albacino. This is the other location. But come by to Albacino. Albacino. Link on description. I'll see you soon. Thank you so much, guys. Watch the next video. Watch it. I forgot to taste the pizza. That's what I'm talking about. Lovely. What are you waiting for? Subscribe. See you in the next video. Ciao.